So if you've been thinking about trying a meal delivery service to help with weight loss, it's easy to get overwhelmed, especially when there are so many programs that all just sound kind of similar. But today I want to break down two of the most popular ones, BistroMD and Nutrisystem, and highlight the real differences that actually matter. Because even though both are built around convenience and portion control, they go about it in completely different ways. One focuses on real medical support and higher food quality, while the other leans more on structure and simplicity. So by the end of this video, you're gonna have a much better idea which one fits your goals and which one probably doesn't. So what sets BistroMD apart right away is that it's not just another meal delivery service focused on calorie counting or portion control. It's built around something called medical nutrition therapy, which sounds technical, but really just means the meals are designed to help your body function better, not just weight loss. And the idea here is to address root causes like hormone imbalances or blood sugar swings through food instead of just cutting calories and really hoping for the best. And that's a pretty big shift from most traditional meal plans. And it's not just a marketing angle. The entire program was developed by a doctor, a board-certified physician who specializes in metabolism and weight management. So the meals follow a clinical framework designed to help reset how your body processes food, especially if you've dealt with insulin resistance or slow weight loss before. Ingredient quality is another big focus. You're not going to find fillers, MSG, or artificial sweeteners. All the meals are hormone-free. The beef is BGH-free, and they avoid the overly processed stuff altogether. So if clean eating matters to you, BistroMD delivers on that front. Now, the meal themselves are chef-prepared and flash-frozen, a method they call freezing time, which locks in taste and texture without using preservatives. So you're not getting shelf-stable boxes or freeze-dried packets. Everything arrives frozen and is ready to eat in about 5 minutes. Now, before your meal ship, you're going to choose a plan that fits your goals, whether it's weight loss, blood sugar, or a low-carb reset. And from there, you can customize your menu from over 150 entrees. So there is a good amount of variety and control every week. Now, one feature worth pointing out is something they call My Night. It's part of the 7-day plan and gives you one evening off to make your own healthy meal. It's kind of a nice built-in break that helps build long-term habits without pulling you off track. So when it comes to meal planning with BistroMD, there is plenty of flexibility depending on how much structure you want. You can go with a full 7-day plan that includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or scale it down to just lunch and dinner if that fits you better. And if you are mainly looking for weekday support, they do have a 5-day version too. What really makes the service stand out, though, are these specialized programs. These aren't just labeled meal sets. They're designed with real nutritional goals in mind. So the diabetic plan keeps net carbs under 25 grams per meal for blood sugar support. Keto Flex offers a sustainable low-carb reset. There's a heart-healthy plan with a lower sodium and saturated fat, a menopause plan for hormonal balance, plus gluten-free and vegan options that meet FDA standards and focus on plant-based protein. Pricing does start at about $150 per week for the 5-day lunch and dinner plan, while the full 7-day version with all the meals is about $220. And if you want snacks, there's an optional high protein add-on called Eats, about $35 a week. And for women, 2 snacks per day, and $53 for men, 3 snacks per day. So shipping is a flat $20 per box, and everything does arrive frozen in insulated coolers, ready to store and heat whenever you need it. So yes, it's a more of a premium option, but you're also getting complete ready-to-go meals made from whole ingredients with no extra grocery shopping and real medical logic behind every plan. Now, one of the biggest things that sets BistroMD apart is how medically thought out the meals are. When you do choose something like the diabetic or menopause plan, you're not just picking a themed menu. It's designed to create specific changes in your body, like regulating insulin or managing sugar cravings. And that level of precision gives it a real edge over more generic portion-based programs. The food quality is also another big strength because the meals are flash frozen instead of shelf stable. They hold on to their flavor and texture much better. You don't get that rubbery or dried out feel that you sometimes get with preserved meals. Everything does come out tasting more like, really like a fresh, home-cooked dish, which does make a big difference if you're eating these every single day. And even though it is a structured system, you do still have control. There's no long-term commitment. You can skip a week whenever you need to, and their flexible plan lets you order 10 to 20 meals without sticking to a daily schedule. It is a great option if you just want a few healthy, ready-to-go meals during your busier days. So whether you want a fully weekly program or you just want some extra help, BistroMD gives you flexibility without compromising the nutritional purpose behind each meal. All right, switching over to Nutrisystem. This is definitely one of the most familiar names in weight loss. They've been around for over 50 years, and their approach leans more towards the traditional side, focused on portion control and calorie management. It's a very structured, easy to follow system that a lot of people turn to when they want something simple and established. Now, recently, they've added a more dynamic twist that does adjust your calorie goals as your metabolism changes. So instead of using one fixed number, the system does adapt over time, which helps reduce the chances of hitting a plateau. It's a smarter approach than the old one-size-fits-all method. Now, Nutrisystem also focuses on reworking comfort foods into healthier versions, things like pasta, muffins, or burgers designed to fit within USDA nutritional guides. So if you do want familiar meals in a more controlled format, then this is one of their strengths. And as far as how the meals are made, most are shelf stable thanks to a process called soft canning, and that means they're sealed and heat treated to stay safe without any refrigeration. It's a super portable setup that you can stash meals at your desk or in your car, which is helpful if you are on a busy schedule. Now, you will be eating 6 times a day, 3 meals and 3 snacks, which helps keep energy steady and curb your hunger. But it is worth noting that Nutrisystem doesn't include everything. You still need to buy some groceries, mainly lean proteins and veggies, and if you want to stick to the nutritional goals. Shipments include a mix of frozen meals packed in dry ice and shelf-stable items. So while you'll need some freezer space, most of the meals just go straight into the pantry. And if you do want to give either of these services a try, check out the affiliate links in the description below. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you're not going to get if you went directly through their website. Now, Nutrisystem keeps things very simple when it comes to the plans. Their main offering is a full meal plan that covers all your meals and snacks. So you're eating 6 times a day without needing to plan anything yourself. It's their all-in-one option and usually the starting point for most people. They also offer a few targeted versions if you have specific needs, a high-protein version to help with hunger, a low-carb option, and a menopause plan aimed at hormonal weight gain. So there is some variety if you want more focus in certain areas. And if you are looking for more flexibility, they offer Club Advantage, and that's a membership model with a small monthly fee that gives you a la carte access to meals from Nutrisystem, Jenny Craig, and South Beach. It's very less structured, but great if you do prefer to mix and match. Pricing starts at about $45 per week, mostly for shelf-stable meals. And if you want more frozen or protein-packed options, then it's going to jump closer to about $80. Shipping is a flat $15 unless you're in the Club Advantage and spend over $99, which unlocks free delivery. Now, they typically offer a nice discount on your first order, and after that, unless you are on auto delivery, pricing returns to the regular rate. So it's worth keeping an eye on the details if you are signing up. One of the most practical things about Nutrisystem is how portable the meals are. Since most of the food is shelf-stable, you can easily keep meals at your desk, in your car, in your gym bag. Just grab one on your way out and eat it whenever you want. You don't need a fridge or microwave right away, which makes it much easier to stay consistent, especially if you're always on the go. And for something more filling, they offer what they call hearty inspirations. And these are higher protein meals that feel more satisfying and don't require any grocery add-ons. So if you want a full meal without needing to prep veggies or lean protein on the side, well, this takes care of that. They've also built in a 7 in 7 program to help jumpstart results, aiming for up to 7 pounds lost in the first week. Results obviously vary, but if you do like seeing quick progress up front, it is a nice bit of structure. And with the Club Advantage membership, you get access to meals not just from Nutrisystem, but also Jenny Craig and South Beach, like I mentioned earlier. So it gives you more variety to work with than most programs offer in one place. So between the two, if your focus is on better nutrition, higher quality meals, and long-term health, not just cutting calories. BistroMD is the stronger choice. The meals taste better, the ingredients are cleaner, and the whole system is built around improving your metabolism, not just managing portion sizes. You don't have to shop for extras or guess what to eat. Everything is just ready to go. Nutrisystem is convenient and familiar, but it leans more on processed foods and still puts some of the work back on you. So if you're looking for a more complete health-driven program, BistroMD is the better investment. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.